Hello guys, have you ever wanted to create a talking AI avatar of yourself that can lip sync and move just like this while using only your mobile phone and some free available tools? Let me show you how you can do this in just a few steps. Stick to this video because you're going to learn a lot. So guys, for us to create that talking avatar that you just saw, we need to first of all create our text prompt. Yes, the text prompt for our image, and we should employ the help of ChatGPT. So I'm currently on ChatGPT, and this is what my text to image prompt is. I'm going to copy this and put it on the description. So I'm going to copy it so that you can also input in what you want and edit it. So once I have gotten this is what I'm going to copy right now. And then once I copy this, I'll head over to Piglumen, which is the AI tool that's going to convert this text to image. You get so this is the interface of Piglumen. Then what you have to do as a free user, sign up with your Gmail account, and then you tap on launch app over here. Once you are on this interface, you should make sure that for it to get what you really want for this project, for it to give you that natural feel and look, you need to make sure that your model is on this Piglumen at V1, this very one. So you have to tap on it, and then you set this very one to YouTube 16:9. You tap on that, and then tap on the number of images you want to generate. So I want 2 images because that is within the free point. So once we are done imputing these 3 settings, what I'm going to do next is to tap on this very place, this icon here. I'm going to tap on that, and then once I tap on that, you can see prompt magic. I don't want it to be on this prompt magic, but I want to use this next option or settings which says image reference. So I have to tap on image reference. So what this image reference is all about is that you have to import in, you see this way that says choose a file, you need to import in your image. Since you want to create a talking avatar that looks like you have to create or import in an image. Make sure that the image you want to use is kind of bold, expressive, and does not have any distracting background. It's just your face that is showing. So once you tap on this, it's going to direct you on media pick, and it will direct you to your gallery. So since this is the image I want to use, I've already imported it in, so I'm going to tap on it. You can see this, my image is kind of bright and is quite expressive and bold. So once you have tapped on it and it's showing here, you then have to put in your prompt, which goes from ChatGPT. You tap here and you paste it in. So once you have pasted it in and you are sure that the other settings, this is marked, then what you have to do next is to tap on send here, and you wait for some seconds and your image will get generated. So guys, after some seconds, you can see what we have over here. Then so you can see that these images look like me, white, all right. So go ahead and download any one. That's why I made it 2 different images so that you can make your choices. So guys, once we have generated our image from Piglumen, I must have downloaded it and converted it from WebP to PNG format using Canva. The next thing is to animate, to bring to life our static image. So I'll be using Halio.ai. So Halio.ai can actually be accessed through the web and also through its app. So since I'm using my mobile phone, I installed it into my phone and I'm accessing it through the app. So to get started, sign up using your Gmail account and you'll be given 100 free points every day. So once you are done with that signing up, you then head over to image to video. So So once we tap on image to video, you see where it writes new creation. You tap on new creation. This what we have to do is to click to upload image. So you have to upload in that image which we have already converted from WebP to PNG. So I have to tap on, this is the image over here which we have already generated and have converted to PNG. So guys, I have successfully uploaded our image into Hagio AI. So what I'm going to do next is to input in our prompt. Yes, to input in what we want this AI tool to do to our image, how it should animate it. So guys, I have typed in my prompt and this is it. I want Helio.ai to make my video look like this. I want it to make my image to look at the camera while moving her hands and her head slightly. So once I'm done typing in my prompt, I tap on finish, and then before I tap on generate over here, you have to tap on this very one so that we can be able to put in our model. So I don't want it to be in this director model. I have to tap on this second one and then make sure it's there. Okay, so once we are done with that, what I'm going to do next is to tap on this and wait for some minutes for this to create. So guys, after about some minutes, I think this first one took about 25 minutes while the second one took about 10 minutes. This is what the first one looks like. So this is what the first one looks like. So I also made another one. I also recreated it. So this is what this second one looks like, and I think I'm going to use this second one because that's what feels quite natural to me. So once you have decided what you want to use, you tap on download, and since we're using the free version, it will be downloaded together with the watermark, but don't worry, we are going to treat that later. So you tap on with watermark and it will get downloaded into your device. So guys, once you have gotten your video from Halo AI, you know that Halo AI gives about 5 seconds of video for the free users. So we have to like make our video longer. So I'm currently on Canva. I'm kind of duplicating this video, merging them together to have something long. So that's what I'm doing right now. And once I'm done with it, I'll download it into my device. And then from there, we're going to head over to the next app that is going to lip sync our video. Is to head over to this very AI tool that is going to help us to lip sync our video. Yes, so this very AI tool is called Dreamface. I'm currently using the app. Yes, I'm currently using the app. I also access this very AI tool on the website and also on the app. So since I'm on the app, you have to go ahead and sign up. I've already signed up using my Gmail account. So what I'm going to do next is that before now, you must have gotten the script which you want your AI talking avatar to say. Yes, it could be a text script or an audio script. So for me, I've already recorded my own voice using my voice recorder, and I've also enhanced the voice. Yes, I've already made a video tutorial on how you can enhance the audio in your video or any audio at all using free AI tool. Yeah, I've already recorded my audio and I've already enhanced it into that studio level sound. So what I'm going to do next is to tap on video lip sync on Dreamface. Yes, so I'm going to tap on video lip sync. So for us to change what is here, I tap on avatar and it will load up and take me to my gallery. So this is the one I want to use over here, this very one. I tap on that and then I tap on confirm. Once I've uploaded this video into this very app, what I'm going to do next is to tap on add script to continue. But remember what I told you guys earlier, that the script we'll be using is an audio file which I've already recorded and I've enhanced it using the free tool I mentioned. So I'm going to tap on import and then tap on from files. So I have to go to my gallery. It's going to direct me to my gallery to the particular audio I want. So guys, I have selected the audio I want to use, and this is it over here. It's about 23 seconds long. And then what I'm going to do next, since this is it here, I'm going to tap on confirm so that it will get uploaded into this very app. Over here, it has been uploaded in. So before we're going to tap on animate and get this animated, you have to tap on voice to make sure that we already selected our voice. In case you want to select another person's voice or any of the voices in this list, you can go ahead and tap it. But for me, I do not want any voice here. What I want is just my voice. So make sure that it's already tapped on original, just like this. Make sure that it highlights this original. So once you are done with this, you tap on confirm, and then you go ahead and tap on animate. This is just going to take some minutes or some seconds, and it will get animated. So once this gets animated, I'm going to show you guys how it looks like. Hello guys, have you ever wanted to create a talking AI avatar of yourself that can... So guys, you have already seen how this looks like after we have animated it.